Clap, clap.
ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯅꯤ꯫ ꯇꯤꯆꯔꯁ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯂꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯤꯆꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯆꯔ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ, ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯡꯒꯜꯁꯇ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯨꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯤꯆꯔꯁꯦ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯤꯠꯅꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯃꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯂꯩ꯫ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯨꯕ ꯃꯤꯠꯅꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯇꯤꯆꯔꯅꯤ꯫ ꯇꯤꯆꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ, ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯔꯤꯌꯔ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯒꯗꯕ ꯍꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯤꯆꯔ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯗ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯔꯣꯏ꯫ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯇꯝꯃꯒ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯤꯆꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯉꯥꯏꯐꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ꯫ Thank you.
I am very happy to be among you today. Khaidem Thambal Accademy is an English medium school. That is why let me make my presentation in English, simple English. Today we are celebrating 62nd Teachers' Day all over India. In some of the countries, Teachers' Day is celebrated on different dates. For example, in Bangladesh, Bhutan, they are celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th October. Even in Vietnam, I came back from Vietnam yesterday. In Vietnam, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 20th November. And on this day, basically I am also a teacher. So there are different types of teachers. There are many teachers who do not want to go to the classroom. There are many teachers. They are who are very interested to bring the students to their private studio homes. So the importance of teacher you see. Today I remember the teacher being one of the VIPs. In America, only scientists and teachers are regarded as VIP. In America, you see, only teachers and scientists are regarded as VIP. In Japan, when a teacher is arrested, the government has to get or they have to seek permission from the authority to arrest the teacher. Otherwise, the teacher cannot be arrested. So, this is the importance of teacher. In the Honorable Court of France, only teachers are allowed to sit on the chair. Others are not allowed to sit on the chair. They cannot occupy. Only the teachers are allowed in the Honorable Court of France. And in South Korea, example, in South Korea, say a minister or an MLA, by showing his identity card in India, they can enjoy all the facilities. Just like in South Korea, a teacher by showing his identity card can enjoy whatever facilities contribution enjoyed by the religious officers in India. But on a simple and a reasonable ground, we cannot get our reasonable ground, we cannot get our reasonable, demand. Until and unless dharna or ban or blockade is organized by the President of India. This is the difference in between India and other countries. Today, we remember the contribution of Dr. Radhakrishnan, Radhakrishnan. He is the second president of India, and he is the first vice president of India. His contribution, his achievements that have been rendered by him to the welfare of his society, we never forget. When these students requested him to celebrate his birthday, then he suggested that instead of celebrating his birthday, he wanted 5th September to be the research. Since then, today we are celebrating this 62nd research day in our country. So, I am very happy that Accademy is also no exception to other institutions in our Lakhipur area. And today I think there are some other cultural programs also. So, last but not the least, I wish every success of this institution in the years to come. These two words that we wind up my voice. Thank you.
Yeah, Teachers Day. Can you please tell me the date? Date is? Yes. Do you know why we celebrate the Teachers Day? Anyone can answer me? It's because of what? We are celebrating the birthday, okay? Today we are celebrating the birthday of S. Radhakrishnan. Just now we have heard some of his story from our chief guest. And are you happy or not today?
Yes!
How much?
Very much!
Very much?
Yes!
What is the size? Okay. Since it's very hot, I know it's very hot and warm, so I will conclude my speech here. Thank you.
Today, we are so happy to welcome you today. We are so happy to welcome you today. We welcome you today. That you come to sing, come out to sing. That you sing a little and then he goes away. He comes to sing,
Miss Priyanka, just from Miss Priyanka start. Otherwise, okay, 1, 2, 3.